Hi, welcome to Boomi Services and Support YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you about the HubSpot CRM Tech Preview Connectors delete operation, which is also called the archive operation. So, this is a simple process where it has just a start shape with no data and the HubSpot Tech Preview connector and the stop shape. Let me just jump into the HubSpot CRM connector here. So here is the connection which is already working with the private app access token, and the action I'm going to demonstrate is the archive. Let me create a new operation for this. Let me do import operation. So this is how the operation import wizard looks like, and the atom is my local Linux atom. The only version right now is supported with the HubSpot CRM API is the v3. So let's hit next. So there are only two object types available as of recording this video: contacts and companies. Let me select contacts. So here we can see the request profile has been loaded successfully. Click finish. Let me show you the request profile here. So the request profile will only have the ID. You can pass the ID as a connector parameter, or you can pass the ID through an XML input profile. You can also do multiple entries or deletion of multiple objects in a single XML file. Okay, let me hit save and close here. Let me hit OK. Let me use the connector parameters here. Let me choose the input as ID, and this value will be the contact ID here. We select OK. Let me save it. Let's test the process. Also, let me do a slight modification to return the application error responses so that we can handle in the coming next steps of the process. Let me hit save. We test. Let me select my local Linux atom. Hit OK. Yep. So it does not return any response data. Instead, it will return the 204 no content. Let me also show you the uh, HubSpot contacts portal. So here we can see the contact is no longer present, which is Jane Doan. I will show you so this archive operation, um, you can this acts like a recycle bin, so you can always access your records for 90 days. Let me show you where the recycle bin in HubSpot portal looks like. So here you can see the restore records. Once you click this, you can see Jane Doe contact record is in the recycle bin. If you want to permanently delete, you can click delete here, and you can permanently delete this contact, which is the action cannot be undone. So please be careful in deleting your contacts. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and happy integrating.